All right, so here's the deal. I am not someone that likes to wear a ton of makeup. I love the process of putting on my makeup, but I usually don't want to spend a lot of time doing it. So on most days when I am wearing makeup, it's a 5-minute process or less. I love a really glowy, natural looking complexion paired with a bright, fun, colorful pop of color on the lips. I have to say this is a look that just makes me feel like myself. And when it comes to makeup, when it comes to how you want to present yourself, I feel like that is the most important thing. To look in the mirror that day and to be like, I feel like myself today. And that's exactly how I feel with my striped shirt, my denim jacket. I'm like, woo, feeling myself today. Let's get into this tutorial. I'm gonna start off with the Origins Original Skin Primer. And I really like this because it's a mousse consistency and it's very cooling. I like to pat this into my skin. Next, I'm using the Fresh Instant Glow Luminizer, and I'm gonna put this all over my face. This is something that I like using whether I'm wearing makeup or not because I think it just gives your skin a really amazing natural looking glow. I have oily skin and I love using this. I feel like it's that kind of glow that you get after a really good facial and your skin is just like, here I am world, I'm ready to shine. Got my Nars Eye Primer here. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my eyes as a base. One of my favorite products right now is the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in Caramel. I love all of the Caviar sticks, but Caramel is like my go-to. I wear it pretty much every single day that I'm wearing makeup. It's kind of like a grown-up crayon where you can just color on your eyelid like this. This is a really subtle color, so it's actually very similar to my skin tone, but I like it because it creates a subtle depth. Bringing in one of my all-time faves, this is the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I wear the shade Bisque. I love this stuff. I have used it for so long and I feel like I'm just always gonna keep using it. I used dish soap to wash my beauty blender. Wow. I used dish soap to wash my beauty blender and it smells really good. I didn't realize how difficult it would be for me to just say that sentence. What a good guard dog, saving us from that scary ice machine. Look who has crawled into my lap and wants to participate in this look. What do you think so far, Tayto? What do you think I should use next? I'm really debating on my lip color right now, so if you could help me, that would be great. Using my Chantecaille Under Eye Concealer. Urban Decay De-Slick to set everything. I'm gonna lean back here so it doesn't get on my camera. Oh. I am still going through my Glossier Wowder. I cannot believe how much is left. I'm just like, am I ever gonna finish this thing? Apparently not. I do like it though as a setting powder. It's super natural. It doesn't provide any coverage, but it does have a blurring effect to it. Oh, and my foot's fallen asleep. It's just one of those days, you know? Using the Hourglass brow pencil to fill in my brows. Now I'm using Glossier Boybrow, which at this point mine is just dry and kind of crusty. So if anyone has any brow gel recommendations, let me know because I'm looking to try something new. Curling my eyelashes. Now I'm gonna be using Covergirl's Plumpify mascara, which is my all-time fave. And obviously it's waterproof. For blush, I'm gonna be using my NARS Narcissist Wanted 1 palette. I'm gonna be mixing these 3 colors together. One of my new favorite products right now is the Flesh Highlighting Stick. This is in Pinky, and I love how creamy this stick is. So I've been using this even when I'm not wearing a full face of makeup. I'll put it on the areas of my face where I just want a little extra glow. So I have to say, I think I like this better than the RMS Living Luminizer, just because it is creamier and easier to work with. I usually put this on the inner corner of my eyes and on my cheekbones like I am today. And then sometimes I'll do a little bit right here on the bridge of my nose, but I don't go to the tip of my nose because let me tell you, my oily skin will make the tip of my nose shiny for me. I don't need any extra assistance there. Also, I find that if I need a little extra brightness underneath my eyes, I can mix this in with my under eye concealer, and it just makes my eye area super bright and glowy, and I love it. I love how natural it looks. It doesn't look shimmery or glittery, and I feel like it moves with me as I move through life. The last thing I'm gonna be using is this Laura Mercier Extreme Matte Lipstick. And this is in really similar packaging to the Caviar stick. This is the shade Stylin. All right, that is going to be it for my tutorial today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notified when I post new videos. I will see you guys next Friday at 2 p.m. Bye.